tax is an important component of any person who is dedicated to building wealth for himself. You can never be wealthy unless you are on the right side of the tax authorities. And the best way to fulfill your duty as a citizen is to pay your taxes and file your tax returns on time. Now it's the start of the new financial year. Before you go full steam ahead in this financial year on your tasks, and I'm sure you have great dreams for this year, is take a few moments to organize what you need to do for your tax returns for the earnings of the last year. And that's very, very important, my friends. Now, there are 10 things that one needs to do if somebody has a taxable income. Now, for various categories of people, the tax rates are available here. But there are 10 things that one needs to organize, and it's a good thing to organize it early. Although there is still some time for filing your tax returns, I think early part of the new financial year is a great time to take stock. First up, if you're a salaried employee, please collect your Form 16 from your employer. The Form 16 is a document that shows what is the amount of salary and earnings that you've had from that employment, also the tax that has been deducted therefrom. So it's a proof that you have earned so much and so much of tax has been deducted from you. Second, log into 26AS. Now 26AS in the income tax portal, it's a passbook of all the taxes that has been deducted. So apart from Form 16, you also have taxes that maybe your banker has deducted on the interest that he has paid, or any other tax in whatever form that has been deducted on payments to you will be visible on 26AS. So do a rain check on 26AS and make sure all of them are covered. Third, you are taxed on your dividend income. So I'm sure your investments in mutual funds or stocks may have generated certain sum of dividend income. So third is to collate all that information, keep all of it handy. Fourth, I would strongly urge you to take a printout of your entire bank statement for the year and make notes to make sure that all the income and all the relevant expenses are accounted for and taken for your tax planning. It's very, very relevant and important. Fifth, I think it's extremely useful to go back to your investment advisor or stockbroker and get from them a statement of capital gains. If you've sold mutual funds during the year, if you've sold stocks, get that statement ready and keep it handy. You will need it to file your returns. 6, you will also need to go to your housing loan company if you have a home loan to collect a statement of the repayment of both interest and principal for that previous year. Very, very important if you want to claim tax deduction on your housing loans. 7th, keep all papers relating to your savings, your tax savings. Under Section 80C, you're allowed savings by investing in PPF, life insurance premiums, a housing loan repayments, so many places, NSE, NSS, whatever be your nature of investment, mutual fund, ELSS schemes, whatever be the nature of your investment that you have done to save the tax, keep one copy handy so that when your auditor asks, you can furnish it to him. 8, donation slips. If you've donated for any worthy cause and that donation is eligible for deduction under 80G, then you need to keep a copy of that handy with you. It'll help at the time of filing returns. 9, if you paid advance tax, do a quick rain check to find out if all taxes are paid. If there's still some more tax to be paid, pay it immediately. The more you pay your taxes in this country are to be paid within that same year. Any delay, you will end up paying interest on that. So if there's anything due, pay it right up front at that point in time itself. And keep record of all the tax paid. Last but not the least, file your tax returns early. The last due date as per Income Tax Act is 31st of July, but you don't need to wait that long. If you're ready with your papers, if you've got all your details ready and organized, you can do it early. The earlier you do it, the earlier your assessment is also likely to get completed. Hope this message is useful.